Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sadat Hussain Jakrani in front of you. Since long I was planning to read the Indo-Pak history, so I have started it by the recommendation of His Highness Sir Professor Javed Iqbal Ladik. So I will share a book review in front of you, and I will request all of you to share your valuable comments, feedback and advices so that I may improve my speaking, reading, writing and communication skills. The book is Train to Pakistan, written by Khushwant Singh. It is a novel, but it highlights all the major events that took place before and after partition of subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan. Khushwant Singh beautifully describes how the thousands of years love among Muslims, Hindus and Sikhs converted into hate, killing, rape, loot due to the partition of subcontinent. In the book, he uses Manu Majra, a village near border of India and Pakistan. Here, early in the 1947, in the July of 1947, everything was going peacefully. There was no trouble, no any problem in the Manu Majra. Here, all three communities, Muslims, Hindus, and Sikhs, lived peacefully and respected each other, loved each other, and lived like brothers. And the Manu Majra was also famous for having railway track. A train had arrived early in the morning and left in the evening for Pakistan. In Manu Majra, a boy, a Sikh known as Jagat Singh, who was in love with a Muslim girl, Noora. She was daughter of a Muslim Imam. They loved each other and lived peacefully there in the village. However, Jagat Singh was a black sheep. He was not a good. He was a murderer, looter, rapist. But he was in love with a Muslim girl and she also loved him. So one day, what happened in the village that Ramlal, one of the richest person of the village, he was also money lender, was killed. Jagat Singh was accused of killing him, and another person, Mr. Iqbal, who was a social worker, he had arrived one day before the murder of Ramlal. He was living in the Gurdwara. He was also accused of killing Ramlal. These both were imprisoned by the sub-inspector by the permission of Hukum Chand, who was magistrate of the Manu Majra. Hukum Chand, the magistrate, was himself a wine drinker and he was fond of music, and he would call the people, the girls, to dance, and he would spend nights with them. So he ordered to arrest both of them in the case of Ramlal. A few days after the arrest of them and death of Ramlal, what happened? A train arrived in the Manu Majra from the Pakistan. This was full of passengers of Hindus who were wishing to travel to India. They were killed by the Muslims of Pakistan, and their corpses were sent to the India as a gift to them. by the Pakistanis. So this chant, all brotherhood, all love and affection, and this created also problem for the Muslims living in the Manu Majra. They were afraid that they will be killed by the Hindus and Sikhs of the India, because Pakistan was doing Sikhs and Hindus took revenge by sending corpse of the Muslims who were wishing to travel to Pakistan. They were killed in the same pattern as Pakistani killed. Hindus and Sikhs were thinking that this was only way to take revenge from Pakistanis. They did same as Pakistani did. Moving to the Jagat Singh and Iqbal, they were proved as innocent, but Hukum Chand has ordered sub-inspector that keep them in the prison until unless the actual culprits are not arrested, and not they are not arrested. So you cannot leave Jagat Singh and Iqbal before imprisonment of the actual culprits. Now the Manu Majra's Muslims decided to leave Manu Majra until unless the situations were not favorable for them, including the lover of Jagat Singh, Noora, and her father. They also decided to leave Manu Majra to save their lives. Six decided to kill them uh, and send the corpse of them to the Pakistan as a gift to them. Manu Majra is Muslim. Uh, Manu Majra's Muslims were sent to the refugee camp from where they would leave for the Pakistan. So Hukum Chand, who was informed by the sub-inspector that tonight Sikhs and Hindus are going to kill the innocent Muslims of the Manu Majra, and Hukum Chand did not want that. He wanted to save the people, either they were Muslims, they were Hindus, or they were Sikhs. So all were aware of the love of Noora and Jagat. So they decided to free Jagat and Iqbal. Sub Inspector allowed them to go. So when the Jagat Singh arrived in his home, he asked his mother, and his mother told that Noora and her father had left the village and they will be moving to Pakistan tonight. So Jagat, and she also told Jagat that Sikhs and Hindus are going to kill them tonight. So Jagat went there to save thousands of innocent people. He sacrificed himself for the sake of his love Noora and to save all the innocent people. They were Muslims, so he wanted to save all of them. He was killed, but he saved many thousand lives. The story ended here. So this is a really wonderful book, and documentary is also made in this regard. You may also enjoy it. And then last, I will request to please share your opinions, your feedback, your advices. These will be very beneficial for me, and I will be highly thankful to all of you.